Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. I'm going to do an unboxing on this Pulsar dual fuel generator. So I've just opened the box. Looks like we get some oil. We got a plug. We've got a hose for propane and some tools. Let's take everything out of the... Okay, so here's everything that comes in the box. We get a little bit of 10W. Looks like we get 15 fluid ounces of 10W 30 oil, a funnel, this electrical, looks like converter plug, 2 of these, this propane, low pressure propane hose. We get a screwdriver and a spark plug. This is for changing the spark plug. Now here's what the front panel looks like. We got a low idle switch, circuit breaker. Here's the plug, 30 amp. I'm going to use this to power my RV with an air conditioner, parallel connection plugs, grounding, standard plug. There's the LP, low pressure propane. Fuel source. I'm going to use gas first, so I'm going to put that switch to gas. It's got a pull start. We're going to add the oil. This is where you add the gas. There's the gas cap. Looks like you can get to the spark plug maybe there. There's the exhaust. And on the other side, looks like we've got some, a little door for the lubricating oil. That's awesome. Air cleaner. When you need to do the maintenance on the air cleaner. I like these little doors. So we're going to add the oil right here. There's the oil dipstick right there. So it doesn't come with any oil. Make sure we add the oil. Now this has threads on it, so you can screw that on there. How nice is that? That's awesome. Now we can add the oil without making a mess. Okay, so the manual says to add 15 fluid ounces of oil, and this is exactly 15.2. So now all we gotta do, you gotta open up that foil, and we're gonna dump all this oil in there. Okay, so I dumped it all in. Oh yeah, we got that's just the right amount. There's plenty in there. And I didn't spill any until I just put that dipstick in and tried taking it back out. So we want to screw that down until it's tight. And not super tight, but tight. So there, it didn't make a mess. Okay, so I put regular gasoline in it. You turn the cap, it clicks. We're going to turn it to run. And we have choke, which is start. So I'm going to put it in start. Fuel source is gasoline. And now I got to pull the handle. Okay, here we go. Oh, wow. First pull, without taking off a choke, go to run. That was so easy. I was expecting to have to pull that a bunch. Okay, I can't get over how quiet it is. Okay, so I do have to use this. It came with this connector. I do have to use this. We're going to push it in, turn it. This is to my RV. This is the cable for my RV. Yeah, here's what my RV side looks like. So now I got to plug this cable in. Okay, now I'm in my RV, my lights work, but I really want my AC to work now. Okay, let's turn it on, and now let's turn it. Yes, it's working. My AC unit can work. Now I could go to low idle and it should ramp up when the AC kicks on. Okay, my AC is blowing cold air. Now, I was not able to leave it in the low idle. I had to bump it up. I had to turn the low idle off because the first time it tried, it overloaded it. But now that I took the low idle off, it works. Now the generator did kind of went, you know, now it's kind of at a higher speed, I think. It is probably at close to its maximum load. Yeah, we're definitely a little bit louder now. So I am able to power the AC unit on this little RV. Yeah, that is blowing so nice. That's blowing such cold air now. All right. It can handle like lights and fans. Also, I got a TV. But the main thing was the air conditioning. Okay, let's go over the shutdown. I turned the RV off. Turn that. Just turn it to off. It doesn't shut off right away. It goes like to a low idle and then it turns off. Again, earlier I tried, it would not work with the low idle on, but it did work with that off. So this worked good. And when I had it on the low idle, I had an overload, so I had to turn it off, then start it back up. So when you want to start it, choke, run, and that second time I didn't even choke it, I just went right to run. This is a pretty nice generator. I'm very, very happy with it. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.